What's going on, guys? Andrew Raff here, and today we are down at Cottesloe Beach for Sculptured by the Sea again, and we are here with Sev's tour. So Seva from Instagram, go check him out if you haven't seen him. But I'm also going to give you my top 5 tips on how to get better videos, so get keen for that, and let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Sev, also known as Sev's Pics on Instagram.
Hi, my name's Adam. My Instagram's Ask Explorer.
I'm here with good mate Andrew, and we're here at Cottesloe Beach doing a hashtag Sev's tour, taking photos, videos of all the wonderful sculptures. And just for Andrew's convenience, I'm standing like this because I'm a good bloke and I'm 6'10" and normally I have to stand like this. You're welcome. Pan out!
Right, so tip number 1 is always use a good quality mic. If you have shitty audio, then it's going to absolutely kill your video. So as you can see right now, I'm now on the internal audio. I've taken my Video Mic Pro Plus off, and you should be able to tell that the audio is absolutely junk and is not going to help the viewer stay retained in your video long. So I'm going to chuck this back on so I can stop filming like this. But yeah, definitely get a good quality mic. I highly recommend the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. It's a little bit pricey, but it does everything you want to do, and it automatically turns on as well when you turn your camera, so extra bonus. Nice! Go back and check out what these boys are doing. Yes, classic. Alright guys, tip number 2 is to shoot B-roll. So if you don't know what B-roll is, basically A-roll is your baseline. So in this video, the A-roll is me filming the tutorial and all the kind of info to make it a tutorial. And then B-roll is everything else. It was all like the filler stuff. So me shooting Sev and Adam and them shooting like shots of them shooting stuff. Does that make any sense? But it's all the filler stuff to give context to what is actually happening in the video. So if you're not shooting B-roll, then definitely jump on that. And if you want to learn my top 5 tips to get cinematic B-roll with your drone, then check out the link up here, and you can learn it all there.
And then you get the sneaky bit where you wait for a bird to fly by and everyone thinks that you photoshopped it in. You're at the beach and there's heaps of them. Oh, there it is.
Alright guys, tip number 3 is get a polarizer filter. So what a polarizer does is that you put it on the end of your lens and you screw it, and then some sort of sorcery happens, and don't ask me why it works, but it works, and it basically cuts away reflections and adds more saturation into your image. So definitely something you need if you're shooting through windows or if you're shooting onto water or anything with glare. It basically cuts straight through that. It is some sort of sorcery. I don't understand how it happens, something to do with the polarization in the sky, but definitely check it out. So this is a perfect example of why you need a polarizer. So check this out. Currently there is no reflection. There's a little bit of reflection on the stone, but check this out. Now as I wind it, bam, check that out. All the reflection coming in. And then we can neutralize it again. Like I said, sorcery, I literally have no idea how this works, but it does. So it works the best 90 degrees from the sun or from your source of light. So if you're pointing it directly at the sun and you try polarize it, you get a little bit of glare going off, but in the sky it doesn't really do anything because we're directly at it. Whereas if we go over here, you can see up in the sky, check this out, boom. It's doing a lot because it's away from the light source, so handy tip to keep in mind. Alright guys, tip number 4 as the sun is going down is warp time. So what I mean by that is shoot fast, shoot slow, do something that's different from what your eye normally sees. So obviously we see in normal motion, so if you can slow down time, it's something different to what we normally see, and if you can speed up time, it's also something different to what we can normally see. So things like hyperlapses, motion lapses, time lapses, and also super slow-mo like 60, 120 and stuff is absolutely amazing, and it will just take your video to that next level and make it different to what everyone else is doing, even though everyone is doing 120, but you're still tracking it anyway. Adam, what would you rate this sunset out of 10?
Oh, solid 10, mate. Unexpected 10.
Yeah,
Unexpected
definitely.
10.
It's literally, it's still going. It's literally still going. Tip 5 is get an ND filter, but it is way too dark now, so an ND filter isn't really going to work. So I'll quickly jump over to tomorrow and I'll quickly show what an ND filter does. Alright, so an ND filter basically stops the amount of light that's coming in through your lens, and if you have a variable ND like this, you can stop it down a little bit or a lot, or you can bring it back up and basically adjust it to whatever the situation is. So if you're in a bright area like this, basically all you need to do is just wind it down until it is in the good spot and you have perfect exposure. And then again, if you go back into the dark area, all you need to do is just wind it back until we're in the right area, just about there. So yeah, it was super handy to have, and basically what it's going to be able to allow you to do is basically keep your shutter speed down low so you get a nice amount of motion blur, but also you get lots of depth of field, so you don't have to sacrifice aperture for exposure. Basically the depth of field is sort of currently on f16. I mean the background's still blown out, so we can expose the background a little bit more, f22. So there's no depth of field, but basically if we wind down our aperture, it's fully blown out, but then we wind that ND up and we can counteract that. Boom, and we get our depth of field back. How wicked is that? Alright guys, so that concludes my 5 tips to help you get better videos absolutely instantly. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope you absolutely enjoyed that pearl of a sunset down at Cottesloe Beach with Seva and Adam. But as always, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite bit was or what your favourite tip was, and happy filmmaking, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.